So picking her up at 4:15 is admitted.
By the brother of the victim, which clearly has the name of Shah Jahan.
Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that? This is a systematic setting up of the case. Your police inspector went to the house of the. Then why your SP is trying to get us to make a comment on that? And to comment on the incompetence of your officials. Do you have anything to add, please?
Well, Lordship has seen the circumstances under which all these things have happened.
Mr. Mazumdar, tell us from your case diary, what happened after the lady was summoned on 26th? Where is your case diary? You can do anything you want to the accused. Why pick on ladies and children? Mr. Mazumdar, your written note says Shah Jahan was not found in the house of his second wife. She was brought to the police station at 4:15 p.m. Your statement was she was residing in a remote jar. So presumably she must have been picked up much before that. 4:15 is arrival in the police station. We are going by your written note.
Letter about this kindly apprised on the
Your Lordship, she was got from her house at 4:15 a.m. and she was brought to the police station at 12:10 p.m.
12:10 p.m.
Next
7 hours.
next day.
Your note says,
12:10 p.m. during the day, Your Lordship.
of course, we know that is by 7-8 hours.
Yes, yes.
4:15 to 12:10. So picking her up at 4:15 is admitted.
Lordship, kindly allow her to.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the victim party was not, because they were in a state of trauma, they could not immediately file the FIR, because of which we took a suo motu case, and a supplementary FIR giving a sequence of names was filed the next day by the brother of the victim, which clearly has the name of Shah Jahan.
Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that?
Your Lordship, all these documents have been submitted in the local court. The first FIR and the
So
subsequent.
the names of the accused dawned on them subsequently. That's what you want the court to believe.
No, Your Lordship. The first is a suo motu FIR, because we knew about a cognizable offence being committed. We immediately registered the FIR. And the brother of the victim submitted an FIR with the names of the first name being of Shah Jahan Ali to us the next day. That is on the 26th. But because the case was registered on the 25th, Your Lord, this was added as a supplementary FIR and submitted to the Honorable Court of Vilasipara the next day. All these documents are in the Honorable Court of Vilasipara.
Mr. Mazumdar, don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case. Your police inspector went to the house of the victim. He was there. The victim was lying all alone on the bed.
Yeah.
His family members were there. At that time, they didn't know who the miscreant was who fired. Second report at the hospital. Till then also they don't know. Suddenly in the morning it dawns on them.
No, man. In the Lordship, kindly see. When they went there, the victim, the wife told that these are the two persons who are involved. In the first paragraph, it says Reza Hussain and Shahjahan Ali have killed her husband, she said.
No, let us go into the details now. Nitty-gritties of the thing. You want the case to be destroyed right now? What you fabricated, you want us to destroy, we'll do that.
The investigation could not suffer for all these things. This is another aspect in the present case, my lord.
So then why your SP is trying to get us to make a comment on that? And to comment on the incompetence of your officials. Your sub-inspector makes all kind of inquiry. the suspicion is cast that Shahjahan was and Bashir Ali were involved in some kind of land deal. Till then, no one comes forward and says Shahjahan is the shooter. Suddenly, on the next morning, eyewitnesses come forward and lodge the FIR saying that we have seen him doing that. That's right.
Well, this sequence of events that we have given here, it is said that the victim Bashir Ali was lying in a pool of blood, and his wife, who was in the same room, started crying and saying the names of Raja Hussain and Shahjahan.
That's what we are saying, Mr.
My lord,
Mazumdar.
my lord.
Your inspector's report doesn't say so. Read the first report, which is GD diary, which he records. So if she was crying out, giving the names,
My lord.
your inspector, this gentleman, whosoever is Padma Boro, he had his data receiving center shut down at that time or what? Padma Pani Bora. If she was saying out the names of some people, what led him to submit the report?
My lord, she has not seen. She said, I suspect.
Saying, that's what you are
This is what.
reading out, that she was saying, taking the names of two people.
Yes.
So your Padmpani Bora must have heard her saying so. He gets the information from there only. What happens in the GD diary? GD entry? Where does that information go?
Lordship, we take it upon Wednesday. Let me just reconcile the records. I have not read this. They have brought all these things. Wednesday, Lordship, I'll just find out what is the sequence exactly.
Let them file the details. What about the second wife? She has been arrested or what?
She has been released.
She has been released.
I have been told yesterday.
Okay.
Day
Yesterday,
before.
the SP Dubri and the officers of the Bilasipura police station are present in the court with the case diary. Mr. Mazumdar has placed on record a narration in form of sequence of events which shall be retained on the file. He prays for and is granted 4 days time to file a detailed affidavit list on Wednesday. On that day, the SP and the police officials concerned shall remain present in the court.
Now, in the affidavit, we'll
Whatever you want to say,
no, we'll say, but as per records are, we will not annex it. Let this document.
the case diary can't be annexed. That we know very well.
If necessary, we'll produce it before Lordship.
Item 27.
And the relevant documents, you may keep the translations for our benefit.
Yes, wherever I find in vernacular, I'll translate.